Psychovisual weight distribution focuses on how heaviness is felt rather than seen. The philosophy is that the brain assigns mass to visual elements based on balance, grounding, and tension, not physical size. The actionable insight lies in learning how to redistribute the perceived weight so the image feels stable or intentionally unstable. When weight is mismanaged, images feel uneasy without explanation. When it's controlled, the composition feels inevitable. This discipline teaches you to think like a structural engineer for perception. By mastering psychovisual weight, you can create images that feel anchored, floating, or on the verge of collapse purely through visual logic.